Hi friends, so today we are going to make this adorable birdhouse using a Dollar Tree garden fence. I'm super excited about this, so cute. I love how this turned out. Okay, we're going to start with this Dollar Tree garden fence. Oh my goodness, so cute. And we're just going to take the bottom spikes off. And I have found that it works a lot better with a pair of these Dollar Tree wire cutters. If you try to use scissors, it's just really, really difficult. But if you use these, it comes right off. I am just using some Rust-Oleum spray paint, but you could use acrylic paint or any kind of paint you have on hand. As you can see, I run out here and have to get a different can. So just use whatever you have on hand. Once it is completely dry, just flip it over and do the exact same to the other side. Now this does not have to be perfect. It actually looks a little bit better if it's just a little thin in some places. So you're just using a light coat. The fence has these little connectors where you can connect them to each other, and that's what I did. Now you could always take this apart and hot glue it if you wanted a complete perfect square, but I just found that if I just connected it and just wiggled it and bent it and just moved it to where I need, it worked out just fine. The next thing I did was just to attach it. I was going to use some floral wire, but apparently I was out, so paper clips to the rescue. You just use what you have on hand. You don't have to buy craft wire. You can literally just use paper clips. And I just bent these, and I used my little Dollar Tree wire cutters to cut off the extra, but you're just bending it over just to kind of make it a little birdhouse shape on top. And again, you're just moving it and bending it as you need. I used the spikes that we cut off the bottom just to, enclose my birdhouse. You probably wouldn't have to do this. It would look fine without it, but I just thought it gave it a little bit of a neat texture on top. Once it was completely done, I touch up the little wires with a little extra spray paint just to make them blend in, but that is it. And I was going to use one of those Dollar Tree LED lights, and apparently I didn't have one, so I just stuck a candle in to show you, but I love how it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next craft project.